6 great habits to facilitate acquiring your dream goal or career. Number 1, wake up early. People who wake up early have a different quality of energy. Just wake up early in the morning and be with the elements of nature. It will set a wonderful tone to your day. Number 2, give the right amount of sleep to your body. If you wake up early and sleep late, day after day, the body engine will collapse. Sleep time is the service time that your body needs, and it's a prerequisite you must give to your body. That means you have to plan your day in advance and go early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Overcome fear of failure or making mistakes. Just act. Just do. Don't hesitate. At times, even the worst failure can be a source of your turnaround or growth. Failures are the stepping stones to success. Don't let them deter you or stop you or delay you. Number 4, take charge of time. You may act, you may not act. The time will roll on. It is your management of time and energy that will make you achieve your goals sooner or faster or later or never. For it's the amount of energy, whether you give your body the steam engine energy, it may be a slow walk. You may give your body a jet energy. You may live 10 years in a year lifetime. You may give your body a rocket energy combination. You will live 100 years in a year. The management of time and energy is totally your decision, your choice, and your effort. And that will help you move, make an impact, and create a profound impact in your life. Number 5, handling emotions and feelings. Mind is a gadget. It's a computer. Don't let it rule you. You have to be in the driving seat, not your mind. Your body is not in the mind. Your mind is not in the body. Your body is in the mind. It's your mental health that decides your energy, your gusto, your motivation. So don't let negative thoughts assail you. You have to manage and control your thought line, your emotional feelings, your reactions, your responses. Once you are stronger there, and it is built over a period of time, you have to be conscious about it. You have to be mindful about it. And there are ways, there are tools to practice it, to learn it. This is also a skill, just like any other skill. Number 6, and the most important one, be with yourself. Learn to withdraw yourself from the society, from everybody. Just be with yourself. The me time, the day you learn to associate with yourself, you discover yourself. In fact, before learning to move around with others, you have to learn to associate with yourself. And when you have done it greatly, joyfully, is the time when you have elevated, not only emotionally, but you have evolved psychologically and spiritually too. For it is in your me time that the creative juices will flow, and your purpose and your passions will reveal themselves to you. All these great habits may initially seem a struggle to you, but once you master them, once you cultivate them, you will not live without them. Believe me, excellence is not an act. It is habits repeated often. So, great habits, great career, great purpose, greatly achieved. Have a nice time.